Welcome to the PDP 101 course on the QEI. My name is John Fisher, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at how to take this course along with how to access readings, assignments, and some of the other features embedded in the class. You've already done the difficult step of finding this video, so that's good. From here we're going to basically scroll toward the bottom of the class. You can see here we have module numbers. You will just go through these modules in that order. Within each module there are pieces of information about the module and what will happen in that piece. You can sort of navigate through these at your own pace. We do have some checkpoints, and we'll take a look at those as we go through this demo. So in the introductory module, we have the video that you're currently watching, and there is a course introduction that I encourage you to take a look at, as well as a bio on me if you're interested in reading that. Moving through the course, one of the first things you'll see are these different icons and images down the left side of the page. In Moodle, which is the learning platform we're using, these images just mean different features or different types of assignments, and we'll take a look at each one as we go through the course. This first one is just a web page, so you can click on the picture or on the text, and it will take you to this page. And here, this, for example, this one says, please watch and listen to the lecture available here. So if I were to click here, that will open up this video module, which you can go through again at your own pace once you get to that step. The green check mark means this is a quiz. So if you click there, you can click a link that says attempt quiz now, and you can begin the quiz. This quiz is based on the video that we just saw the title slide for. So once you finish reviewing that lecture or online video, you can take this quiz to self-assess yourself on PI 34. Near the top of the page, we call these breadcrumbs, so this sort of keeps track of where you've gone. From the home page you went to this course, and now you're within the module called PI 34, just the facts. And within that module you're on a specific assignment called PI 34 assessment. So if you want to backtrack, you can use your back button, or you can use these breadcrumbs. For example, from here I could click on PDP 101 and it would take me back to our course homepage. As we scroll down, we've already looked at web pages, so you'll just want to click on each of those as you go through the course. They all have different pieces of information for you about the PDP and about PI 34. This icon means there is a discussion forum. So this is our first checkpoint. So far you've been going through the course at your own pace. Here we're going to take a moment to reflect and check in with everyone who's in the course. Hopefully we will learn something from each other. The instructor will review and be a part of all of the discussions, and will also post and reply as needed. You would use this button, add a new discussion topic. For the discussion forum, here you see subject and message, and those are in red. That means those are required. You have to put a subject in and you have to put a message in order to post it to the forum. You will also be able to see other students' posts and reply to those as well. Underneath discussion forum in module number 2, we have a web conference meeting. This will be an opportunity for everyone in the course to get together for anywhere between 30 and 60 minutes to ask questions, get those questions answered, network as needed, possibly learn from each other's experiences, but really to connect verbally and on the web with the instructor and with the other students. This is one of the few times in this course that we will meet in a synchronous manner all together at the same time. So watch these pages for updated information about when this happens, at what time, on what date, and also you'll see on this page information about connecting to the web conference. So which website to go to, how to log in, and what telephone number to call to connect with the rest of the students and the instructor on audio. Now in Module 3, we see some new icons here, and this one is probably not new to you. This just means that if you click here, it will open up a reading, and that reading is in PDF format. Most of the modules do include some readings, and many of those readings are right out of the DPI toolkit as we're learning how to write each step of the PDP. Here in Module 4, we're learning about Step 2A, describing your school, teaching, administrative, or pupil services situation. And the two activities we will look at here are video tutorial, which again is just a separate web page. On these pages that indicate a video tutorial, you'll just click on the play button and the video will play. You'll want to adjust your speakers and the audio level here. If you click here, it will turn the video into a full screen video. To bring it back to normal size, just press the escape key on your keyboard. And most of these videos are anywhere between 4 and 10 minutes each. There is one in almost every module, as we have broken down the PDP into its individual steps, and these videos sort of give you an overview and recommendations for how to put each step of your PDP together. The other link I want to highlight in module number 4 is one titled Instructor's Hint, and there are a few of these throughout the course. These are not hints or recommendations that you will find in any of the toolkits or handouts available from DPI or from school districts. These are actually things that I've put together from my experience reviewing PDPs that I think can help you out as you're putting yours together. So take a look at those, and if you have questions about them, let me know. I'll be happy to explain any of them further. Here in Module 8, we're working on Step 2D, and we have a writing assignment, which looks like a piece of paper with a pencil. When you click on that assignment, there are two different types of assignments you'll find in this class. One type asks you to type something up in a word processing document such as Microsoft Word, save it to your computer, and then come here, click on Upload a File, and simply upload that Word document or word processing document as a file, and that will come directly to the instructor, and I'll be able to read it and send you back comments. The other type of assignment, as we see here in Step 4A, allows you to type right into a text box on the screen as opposed to writing your assignment, saving it, and uploading it. You would click on this button, Add Submission, and you'll get a text box. You would simply type your assignment, your work into the box, and you can use all of the interface features up top such as bold, italic, left, center, align right. You can embed media, pictures, you can spell check, change the color of fonts and background colors. And when you're finished, click on Save Changes. Another activity type you'll see when you're taking this course is a chat. Instead of web conferences or discussion forums, once or twice during the class we will get together via chat. This is also a synchronous meeting, meaning we're all at the same place at the same time. But instead of watching or seeing something together on the screen and talking, this will be a chat where you type and you can read questions and comments from other students, and that's how we'll respond. So we have the chat, we'll also have the web conference, and we will also use the discussion forums to interact in addition to the self-paced readings, writing assignments, and videos that you will use during the course. As you look at the titles of each of the modules, we begin by looking at PI 34 and the policy and rules behind having your license renewed. And then we look at the PDP itself, which is the tool that you use, that you create to have your license renewed. And beginning with Module 3, we just break the PDP down into each of its individual steps. We look at goal approval, how you put your team together, how you have your PDP approved online. We talk about annual reviews, evidence you can use to demonstrate growth, how to get those pieces of evidence into your PDP on the QEI, the verification process, which is the final review, as well as what you need to do in addition to the PDP to have your license renewed, and what you do once that license is renewed to prepare for your next PDP cycle. Here's my email address and telephone number. You can call or email anytime. Again, thank you for taking this class. I look forward to working with you and helping you with your PDP.